By the way, what is your name?
Andrew, Andre, same.
Andrew. My name is Jidan Hawk.
Gentleman.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think this is very simple for pronunciation.
Yeah.
My name is very easy.
Very easy.
Yeah. For understanding.
There's a meaning behind.
Yeah.
There's a meaning for the your name.
Meaning. Jidan mean sun. Jidan mean sunlight.
Oh,
Hawk means true.
hawk.
Yeah. This is a Arabic name.
Okay.
Yeah,
Do you
Hawk.
speak Arabic?
No. I don't speak Arabic. I am from Bangladesh. This is a South Asian country, but
Oh, yeah. Hawk.
Hawk.
Arabic. Evet. Yeah. Understand.
Yeah.
Because my mother language is the same, like Arabic. Hawk. True.
Your mother are
Yeah,
from
something.
Arabic country.
No, it is like the same. Many words from Arabic. Yeah.
Okay.
So we
And
can go for this topic. Let's go.
please avoid this
So,
topic. We are talking.
do you have an idea?
We are talking about our names. This topic is not good for us. This is not a friendly topic.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Don't worry. Okay, let's
yeah,
go.
your smile is pretty good and you are very friendly. I understand.
Yeah.
Yeah,
What do you do for living, sir?
yeah.
What do you do for living? A student?
I'm a student and I have a job.
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah, are you a student?
Yeah, that's my first year.
Inter first year. Okay, how old are you?
I turned to 16 now. 18. No, not 16. 18. Not
Okay.
16. 18.
This is your real
Yeah.
age.
18.
Okay.
I'm getting old.
You guess my
I'm
age,
getting
please.
I'm getting old, bro. How old are you?
Please guess.
21?
Yeah?
21? 21?
No.
20?
No.
20? 19?
No.
Ah, 20?
M-
22?
more.
No.
Yes.
You look so young.
I'm 24 exactly. This is true.
Oh, no, guy, I tried to lie. This is not true.
This is
Why you
true,
look so young?
really.
How you do that to look so young?
So yeah.
How you do?
But my mother called me you are very older.
You like it, don't
Yeah.
you?
Make some kidding moment with me, my family's member. It's very harmful for me.